Kenny, thanks very much for taking the time to talk to me.
It's a pleasure.
All right, what's your title at Afrox?
Safety and Gas Equipment Specialist. That's my title, and my function is nationally, and we try to cover all spheres of business, yes.
Okay. And typically over the last couple of days, have you done some business? Have you made some contacts?
Oh, yeah, we actually picked up some great leads, and I'm sure if we can just follow up those leads, pick up 2 or 3 of those leads, I'm sure it will be worthwhile for us. We would like to get involved, especially in the rail and harbour industry, and we actually brought along some 2 or 3 applications which we'd like to sort of introduce to the industry. And it's very
well, why don't you take me through it?
Well, yeah, on the lance burner side, this is actually new technology we actually brought from Europe. It runs off acetylene air, and we can design all these burners according to the customer's application, whatever he does. And this has got to do with all preheating processes, special preheating applications, special burners that we can offer to the industry, especially in the shipbuilding industry. I don't know if you know that 20% basically, plus minus 20%, when they build ships, 20% of the costs goes to flame straightening.
Now, what is flame straightening? I mean, flame comes out. How do you make it straight?
Well, distortion plays a major role, especially when welding processes actually take place. And to actually rectify those distortions, we use application. It's actually a flame straightening application that runs off oxyacetylene and special flame straightening burners that we actually supply to the industry. And that is our major. That's going to become one of our major drives, especially in the shipbuilding, rail and harbour. It's going to play a major role in the future. Yes, definitely.
Okay. Definitely. And then what other products have you got for the rail and harbour industry? On
my left-hand side over there, those nice yellow machines over there.
The dust extractor.
Definitely not. Definitely not a dust extractor. Fume extraction, as you know, rules and regulations in the industry. I think the industry is going to get regulated very, very soon, where they're going to pass laws as far as fume extraction is concerned, where they must have, whenever there's a welding sort of application, whenever there's fume extraction is necessary, and it's going to become compliant at all major manufacturers, especially in the shipbuilding, and wherever there's confined spaces involved, fume extraction is very, very important. We've also got the latest technology available. We can automate the whole processes as well, and we've got our sort of guys countrywide that can assist. We supply anything from gas, from a welding rod, anything got to do with safety, gas equipment. Our gas equipment, we actually export our gas equipment worldwide now under the Linde umbrella. And with our gas equipment, we can offer additional support.
Okay.
We can assist with risk assessments.
Sorry.
It's not funny, is it? We can actually assist with risk assessments that we can physically do on customer site.
Okay.
Safety training, anything got to do with the safe use of gas equipment and gases, and we offer courses related to that as well. Yes.
Now, I've got a question for you. Do you think the likes of your safety apparel, which is all beautifully branded, I mean, I have seen it on the shop floor, do you think that's helped to entrench your brand and your position in the South African market?
Oh, definitely. I think definitely. A couple of years ago, we started moving into the safety equipment side. We started selling safety equipment to the industry. It's a major market, millions, worth millions. We sort of invested in that. We sort of we try to elaborate also selling products into the market, and I'm sure, yes, it definitely helped us with the brand. And now it's like a one-stop shop. The customer can come in. You can buy anything off the shelf. We've got our gas and gear centres countrywide. I think currently we've got about 42, or we're going to have 42 gas and gear centres shortly. They can come in, push the trolley around. They can shop any product off the shelf.
Wow. And then from a gas supplier side, I don't know if you can elaborate on that.
Oh, it's very exciting business, and especially to the rail and harbour industry, shipbuilding industry. We supply all types of gases, anything from oxyacetylene, LPG, anything from nitrogen. Very exciting business, and it's quite competitive. But very proud to associate myself with Afrox. We've got a great team over here. In fact, nationally, we actually got a great team, and I think that's part of our successes. Yes.
Well, thank you very much for your time.
Thanks for your time. Thank you very much.
Okay.